My name is Dave Curry and I'm the Director of Career and Technical Education at the Milton Hershey School. I'm very passionate about CT because I see that it works. Milton Hershey School has obviously been at this for over 100 years now, so I think that we're pretty good at what we do in terms of our CT programming. At Milton Hershey School, you can find our students practicing their skills inside of actual work-related environments. We think that it's important to try to simulate as much as possible what the actual work environment is going to be, and then ultimately they get to move on from us into an authentic work experience through internships and co-ops. No matter what a student does after they leave us, they're going into a career. The academics are incredibly important, but if we're not covering our bases with teaching them how to work in a work environment, then we're not doing them the proper service. One of the best things about career and technical education here is there's something for everyone. If they can find a career that they're passionate about, then they're able to explore it here and really build the confidence that they need to become successful.